late start here, out to the old mid. Sun is coming up already. It's been a slow season, as you know from my couple other videos. Hoping that the spawn is done, because we basically skipped over, for the most part, that whole fun pre-spawn, decent season that we usually have. You never know until you get out there and try if it's going to happen or not. So we're going to do our thing here today. Meeting my buddy Sean, normal fishing partner, and see if we can't snag a decent fish. They got to start getting hungry and chasing. Yet to be determined.
He's not big. I don't think. I'm not feeling any good head shakes, but silver. I think he's a rat, Sean, but he's a rat. I may not even need help with the net. Oh,
that's okay.
Dude, that was
a little rat.
That was 12 inches long.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Holy shit! I can tell, like, as soon as, like, you know when you feel it go jerk, 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 jerk,
Yeah,
jerk.
Yeah. You can tell them they can't. They're trying to head shake, but it just feels like nothing.
Oh, great.
Right, it's a good sign.
There we go. Hey, it's the same result as last time. I actually don't feel bad that that one got away. Got a couple head shakes. That was a huge grab. Oh, he's not big though. God damn it.
He's not bad.
Huge grab right at the bank, dude. He hammered. I have my drag set loose. But he's pulling good.
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah. He's fighting like a motherfucker. I wonder if he got fouled. Come on, fucker. He hammered it though. That was like a almost.
Chased it in and blasted it, huh?
Yeah, what the fuck? Seriously? He's gotta be.
Excitement. You might be looking at the side of the face.
I think he's hooked in the side of the face because he's controlling, and I'm not, and it's. Really? He's in the side of his face. It must have swung and whacked it in the face. Man, he's fighting good.
Up the beach thing.
Yeah, he's that's why. And they don't come straight at you. They go up and down the beach when they're fouled. He's coming back to you. Yeah, he's fouled. See. Yeah. God, how come they can't just fucking take it in their pie hole and then? It's amazing how much these little ones that can get pressure on you. That's when you see like the guys that are fly fishing. You know, they get it like in their fin or something, and good luck. Just a swiper. Yeah, he's just like, I love how much pressure they can get. I mean, seriously.
He's got some energy. He's like, I'm not coming to you. He can
No.
see us standing here.
He's like, fuck you guys.
I know what's going down.
That was why it felt like such a jerk, because he. Hold on, let's get him up here. There. Oh, really? Yeah, it's in his fucking face. I know. Don't do it here. I'll just. What the hell? I can't. I want to break him off because it's like not. Yeah, hopefully if I get a big one, it's like okay, it gets in his. Hold on. You got him? Nice work. Nice work. He is not big, but hey, we're gonna take whatever we can for. Well, we got some serious wind, as they predicted. They said 15 to 25 sustained today at some point. We're supposed to get some rain, so got a couple fish to grab already. Nothing big. And maybe this weather system is going to mix it up today. We shall see. We're going to stick it out until it's too unbearable. The wind starts sandblasting us. And we got rain gear and all that stuff, so it shouldn't be too bad. But sometimes it just gets to the point of diminishing return if the fish aren't doing anything. But it's still early. It's only 7 o'clock. Things are always optimistic for the fishermen here. Could change at any given moment. The big one could bite. We got our favorite crazy pelicans that love this lake. I think they eat good here. time you can have a 20-pound meal if you dip your bill. That's where I'd be if I was a bird. Well, we got moderate gale force winds here, throwing some decent waves. Nothing to report other than I did have one fish grab right at the bank, probably about the same size as the last one. I made the mistake of giving up on my retrieve, and I thought I was bumping on the bank and the rocks up here, and it was a fish, of course, and I reeled it up and it swiped and hooked for 1 second and then was off. Yeah, I mean, the weather doesn't get much better than this for purposes of fishing out here, and we are not having the type of success that you would hope. And blast it. Oh yeah. The friggin' things we do to catch a fish, huh, Sean? It is just howling. All you can do is laugh. Not even worth sticking around. Fish aren't doing shit, even though we have damn near ideal conditions with storm front and everything else. It's just been a terrible year. That's all you can say about it. Probably won't keep me from coming out again at least 1 or 2 more times just to see if everything's just late this year. Till then, hopefully y'all are getting some fish wherever you're at.